Here are the solutions to assignment 3A on selected questions which I ask you to attempt. So let's get going. Right, first off, round off 698,352 to the nearest 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So what we do here, right, is to actually just make sure that the zeros or the placeholders corresponds to the degree at which we are going to round off. So for example, we are going to round off to the nearest 10. 10 has 1 0, so our final result should have 1 0 at the end. So 6, 9, 8, 3, 5, right? After that, we add a 0 because 52 when rounded off give us 50. So that will be fine for the 10th place and the 1st place. So similarly, nearest 100, we end up 352. When we round off, become 400. So 698,400. Next one, nearest 100. Nearest 100, we have nearest 1,000. My apologies. Here should be another 0 nearest 1,000. I left it out. So we have 8352. When we round off, become 8,000. So 698,000. And then nearest 10,000. So we have 98,352. When we round that off, it becomes 100,000. We add that to 600,000. We get 700,000. Right, next one. Round off each of the following numbers to the significant figures as given in the bracket. So 728, when we round off to two significant figures, so 7 and 3 is significant, so 730. Next one, 503.98, we want 4 significant figures, so 504.0, right? Because 3.98 round off to 4.0. Next, we have 0.0030195. When we round it off to 4 significant figures, again, the first significant figures is the 3 over here, so we add the placeholders 0.003, then continue 020, right? Because 19 when we round off becomes 20 over here because of the 5 at the back. Right, next one, part D. Part D, we want to round off to 2 significant and 3 significant figure. So what happened in this particular case, something interesting happened. We have 6,396. When we round off to 2 significant figure is 6400, where 6 and 4 are significant. But when we round off to 3 significant figures, it also look the same, 6400. However, the first 0 after the 4 is actually significant, whereas the last one is a placeholder. Next one, 9.9999, where we round off to 3 significant figure, well, we get a 10.0, right? And 8.004, round off to 3 significant figure, give us 8.00. Question 8, round off 4.918 meters to the nearest 0.1 meters. So it is as good as 1 decimal place. It's the same meaning over here, right? So it becomes 4.9 meters. 9.71 centimeter to the nearest centimeter, that gives us 10 centimeter. $10 and 982.982 to the nearest 10 cent. That will be interesting, right? Because what happened is the nearest 10 cent is actually 9 and 8 over here. But the 9 actually have to be round up. So we end up with $11.0. We do have to add in 0.0, right? If you don't, then you become a nearest dollar instead. Okay, next to the nearest 1 over 100 kilogram. So 1 over 100 kilogram is has the same meaning as 2 decimal places. So 6.489 become 6.49 kilogram. Question 11. The floor area of Changi Airport Terminal 4 is stated as 225,000 square meters. The value has been rounded off to 5 significant figures, right? So what is the largest and the smallest possible? So what happened? Where are the significant figures? It is 2, 2, 5, the first 0, and the second 0. So that means only the last digit there is actually affected. Therefore, when we go in, find the largest possible, it is a 4 here, because if it is 5, we will actually have to round up. On the other direction, what happened? We have a 4,995. Why 4,995? When we round up, become 5,000. So that will fit into the description as well. Right, hope you have been successful with this assignment. Have a nice day.